Hey Ankita, wish you a many, many, many happy returns of the day. God bless you. I'm indeed so glad to have a partner like you. All the best and let's celebrate times to come.
Hi Ankita, happy birthday to you. Wish you a very happy birthday. God bless you. Make your future bright and beautiful ahead.
हेलो अंकिता, जय जिनेन्द्र, जय श्री कृष्ण। जन्म दिवस की खूब खूब बधाई।
Wish you a very happy birthday, Ankita Bhabi.
Hi Ankita, happy birthday to you. Have a great day, enjoy and have fun. Hello Bharvi, we're all here to wish you a very happy birthday. May you have a great day and a great year ahead and stay safe, stay home.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Bhabi.
Happy birthday, Ankita. We wish that this year goes really, really well.
हमेशा हंसने वाली, सबको हंसाने वाली, निखालस हंसी की मालकिन अंकिता को जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं एवं बधाइयाँ।
Many, many happy returns of the day, Ankita. Stay blessed, stay healthy, keep smiling, and make others smile.
Many happy returns of the day,
Ankita.
भी अगर बच्चे होते नाम हमारा तो डब्लू बबलू खाने को मिलते लड्डू और दुनिया कहती हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Happy birthday, Ankita.
Happy birthday, Ankita.
Love you, miss you.
एंजॉय
Happy birthday, Ankita ji.
हैप्पी बर्थडे अंकिता चाची।
Happy birthday, flying kiss करो.
Many happy returns of the day, Ankita.
God bless
God
you.
bless you.
Stay blessed.
Hello, Chatu. Very welcome. Jai Shri Krishna. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Chachi. Happy birthday, Chachi. Happy birthday, Chachu.
Wish you a very, very happy birthday, dear Ankita. Stay blessed and have a rocking year ahead.
We wish you
Very happy.
Happy. Happy.
happy birthday.
Hello Ankita Mami, I want to wish you a marvelous birthday and keep rocking with your dazzling smile. Love you. Wish you a many happy returns of the day, Ankita Mami. Stay happy, stay healthy, and keep smiling. Love you. Have a great day.
Happy birthday, Ankita Mami. We love you a lot.
અંકિતા તારે વળશે ને એમ ઘણી ખુશી થઈ છે બહુ. હા અંકિતા.
હાય અંકિતા, દુનિયાની સૌથી સારી અને સુંદર દીકરીને જન્મદિવસની બધાઈ. વિશ યુ એ મેની હેપી રિટર્ન્સ ઓફ ધ ડે. ઉમ્મીદ કરું છું તારો જન્મદિવસ રોશની અને ઉત્સાહ ભરેલો હોય. તમારી જિંદગી તમે ચાહો તેવી બને, તમારા સપના બધા સાકાર થાય એવી પ્રભુ પાસે પ્રાર્થના. તમને એક ગીત ડેડિકેટ કરું છું. तुम हो हम सबकी आंखों का तारा, खुशियों से महके दामन तुम्हारा, आज है जन्मदिन अंकिता तुम्हारा, यशस्वी रहो तुम आशीष हमारा, तुम हो हम सबकी आंखों का तारा, खुशियों से महके दामन तुम्हारा, आज है जन्मदिन अंकिता तुम्हारा, यशस्वी रहो तुम आशीष हमारा, तुम हो हम सबकी आंखों का तारा. बाय अंकिता, बाय.
હાય અંકિતા, જન્મદિવસની ખૂબ ખૂબ બધાઈ. મેની હેપી રિટર્ન્સ ઓફ ધ ડે. અંકિતા, તારા જન્મ દિવસની ઉપલક્ષે એક ગીત ડેડિકેટ કરું છું. नाचो सी तू है पली, तू ही मेरी जान है. नाचो से तू है पली, तू ही मेरी जान है. फूल तू बहार का, रंग तू गुलाब का, अंकिता मेरी जान है. फूल तो बहार का, रंग तो गुलाब का, अंकिता मेरी जान है. बेटी को कहते धन पराया, मैंने कभी ऐसे समझा नहीं. मेरी है तू और मुझ में समाई, मन से जुदा तो न होगी नहीं. देखो जब भी तुमको ऐसा लगा मुझको, परी एक नन्ही सी घर में आई. मेरी है परछाई मुझसे आई, दिल से अलग तो न होगी कभी. खुशियों से झूमे मैं, तो मेरा प्राण है. खुशियों से झूमे मैं, तू मेरा प्राण है. फूल तो बहार का, रंग तो गुलाब का, अंकिता मेरी जान है. नाजो सी तू है पाली, तू ही मेरी जान है. फूल तो बहार का, रंग तो गुलाब का, अंकिता मेरी जान है. अंकिता मेरी जान है. अंकिता मेरी जान है.
Hi Ankita, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Ankita. Happy birthday to you. Hey Ankita, it was a great experience to grow up with a crazy, confident and a fun-loving girl like you. For me, you've always been that sweet little sister, and you always know how to cheer me up and make my day brighter. There are many childhood memories and the school life, the college, the hostel, and in Mumbai, and there are many memories to cherish. So I think this video is not enough to explain that how much you mean to me, and thank you for giving us the opportunity for giving your Kanyadan. And I would like to thank Piyush as well for this video, and happy birthday once again. May you have a big birthday blast. Enjoy your special day with Piyush. Have fun, take care and stay safe. Bye.
Hi Ankita, happy birthday once again. Yes, as Shreya rightly mentioned, that we would always be indebted to you, that you allowed us the opportunity for giving your Kanyadan. And the way you are, just keep it that way. You are a brilliant mind, and I wish you all the success in your life. Stay safe, have a good quarantine celebration for your birthday, and yes, once again, happy birthday. Bye.
Bye.
ખૂબ આગળ વધજે, હંમેશા મુસ્કરાતી રહેજે અને હંમેશા વડીલોનો આદર કરજે અને ધર્મ ધ્યાનમાં બરાબર ધ્યાન આપજે. આજ મારા આશીર્વાદ છે.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday Ankita. Happy birthday to you. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिन ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये हमारी आरज़ू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Ankita. Happy birthday to you. Many returns of the day. God bless you. तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये हमारी है आरज़ू. लव यू अंकिता एक्टिवा.
Hi baby Ankita, how are you? Enjoy your birthday with lockdown and Piyush. Many happy returns of the day. God bless you. Always be happy. Bharti Kaki.
Many happy returns of the day, Ankita.
Many happy returns of the day Ankita. Happy birthday to you.
हमारे मडिया परिवार की सबसे छोटी बिटिया, बड़ी शरारत करती है ये बिटिया. पापा की है ये लाडली बिटिया, माँ की छाया है ये बिटिया. हमारे मडिया परिवार की सबसे छोटी बिटिया. चू चू जैसे करती है ये चिड़िया, बकबक करती रहती है ये बिटिया. चलो बुझाएं हम सब मोमबत्तियाँ और मिलकर सब गाए हम गीतियाँ. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर अंकिता, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. गॉड ब्लेस यू अंकिता.
Many happy returns of the day, Ankita. Keep smiling.
Happy birthday to you, Ankita. God bless you.
Ankita, wish you a very happy birthday. Hope you enjoy this quarantine birthday of yours. Stay blessed and cheerful always. Have fun. Bye-bye.
Hi dear little sister Ankita. So you must be really very surprised to see this video, but for sure happy too. And thanks to your husband Piyush for this initiative. Firstly, it's your birthday, so wishing you a very happy birthday and a memorable one. So, few words for you, dear. I've always seen my youngest Madhya sister as that little chulbuli and easygoing girl. I still remember the day when Aman was born and you had decorated the home to make me feel so happy. Time flies. Now you have grown into a more mature and a responsible person. So enjoy your most precious day with the family's blessings, love and care. Always keep smiling. It makes you look more beautiful. So enjoy and take care. Bye bye.
बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये है हमारी दुआ. Moksha says happy birthday Pia. Moksha says happy birthday Pia. Moksha says happy birthday Pia. A very happy birthday to you. Hey dear sister, many happy returns of the day. Due to lockdown we are not there, but our treat is due next year at the rate Goa. Bye.
Wish you a very happy birthday.
Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday. Enjoy your day and have lots of fun.
Happy birthday Ankita Didi, you Billy. You are a wonderful human being. You are so compassionate, full of emotions, and you have a very kind heart. Thanks for always being there, guiding me like an elder sister. I love you, Billy.
Ankita, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. What's up? I have lots of memories to share with you and all, but this will be taking too long. So in short, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Stop.
Masti, happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day. Enjoy your day with lots of ice creams and cakes. You are amazing. Okay, enjoy.
Hi Ankita, wish you a very happy birthday to you. મારી ઈચ્છા છે તું તારી જિંદગીમાં ખૂબ જ આગળ વધ. બાય. And once again, happy birthday to you.
Hi Ankita Di, happy birthday. Enjoy your quarantine birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday
happy birthday to you. I know Jiju is there for you, તો તમને સારા સરસ ખાવા પીવાનું તો મળશે. અહીંયા પાર્સલ કરી દેજો. ગોવાથી મુંબઈ is not at all. Enjoy. Bye.
Hi Ankiti, happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday and go out, as Goa is in green zone, so you don't need to worry. Enjoy your birthday, go out, have fun, and all the best.
Many happy returns of the day. May you enjoy this quarantine birthday with your soulmate. And since Jiju is a hotelier, I'm sure he'll not upset you. But anyways, તમને સારું ખાવાનું બનાવી દે તો આપશે, બીજું કંઈ કરે ન કરે. Hope you enjoy your day like anything. Bye. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Ankita. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday dear Ankita. Happy birthday to you.
हाय एंग्स, बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिन ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you Ankita, happy birthday to you Ankita, happy birthday my dear Ankita, happy birthday to you. My town side girl, many happy returns of the day. May God bless you always. May you have an happiest quarantine happy birthday. I miss you a lot, love you a lot. Bye bye, tada, enjoy.
હેપી બર્થડે અંકિતા, તને જન્મદિવસની ખૂબ ખૂબ શુભેચ્છા. ખૂબ આગળ વધો, પ્રગતિ કરો અને અમારા તરફથી તમને ઢેર સારા આશીર્વાદ. બાય બાય.
Hi Ankita, wish you very many happy returns of the day. Enjoy.
Happy birthday Ankita.
Happy birthday to the first friend of my life. Enjoy your day. I know it's difficult in such situation, but yes, Piyush Bhai is there to make your birthday very special. Have fun. God bless you. Enjoy.
Happy birthday Dee. Many happy returns of the day. Love you so much. Enjoy your day and be as you are.
Hi Ankita, wishing you a very happy birthday. You will forever be Amado. Have a super duper fabulous one. Stay safe and lots of love. Ashwat too wishes you a very happy birthday. I will eventually tell him to address you as Billy Masi. That will sound cute. Anyways, take care. Happy birthday.
Hey Ankita, happy birthday.
Hello, happy birthday. God bless you. And please, I'm really sorry. आपने 4 दिन से बोला था, actually 11 दिन से बोला था वीडियो भेजने के लिए, but मैंने नहीं भेजा. But Ankita, I love you and I miss you. और मैं अभी थोड़ी सी टल्ली हूँ जो तुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं, but I love you and happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Ankita. Happy birthday to you. Yee! Happy birthday to the loveliest and the sweetest girl. Happy birthday, love. Have a great fun. Bye bye.
Happy birthday Ankita. Have a great one and stay happy, stay healthy always. I love you, my fair and lovely. God bless you. Lots of love and blessings from me and Anuji's side. Take care.